long book, okay? So we will see, you read and then we will see when we want to stop, okay? Yeah, read.
My name is Anshika. I am studying in 5th standard. I can read Ismat Eid.
Ismat's Eid, huh? Yeah, this is Ramzan time, so this is a very good book to read. Yeah.
Ismat the shoemaker had been very busy. Tomorrow was Eid. All day people had been trying out new shoe, and now they were all sold out.
They were all sold out.
How sighed Ismat at last. I can go and buy some gifts for my family. He closed his little shoe stall and walked down to the cloth shop.
So Ismat was a shoemaker, huh? So he sold all his shoes and he wanted to buy gifts for his family. So he went to the clothes shop to buy the clothes for his family as a gift for Eid. Huh?
Assalamu alaikum. Hamza Ismat greeted the shopkeeper. I went to buy my wife a burqa for Eid. Alam alaikum salam, replied Hamza. I have just the one for her, and purposed a dupatta for my mother. Asked Ismat.
He wanted to buy a burqa for his wife and a dupatta for his mother.
How about this one? Said Hamza, pulling out a bright blue cloth embroidered with tiny
Beads.
beads
Embroidered with tiny beads. Yeah.
and some bangles for my daughter.
And for the daughter some bangles. Huh? Yeah.
Hamza should Ismat hundreds of bangles. It was very hard to close.
To choose.
They were all so pretty.
They were all very pretty bangles. You are wearing a bangle? Yes, very pretty bangle. Yes.
Ismat was pleased with the gifts. He paid Hamza and turned to leave.
Very good. Okay, we will stop here. Huh? Very good. Good job. It's a long book.